easy cooking tips by Kuya Pandisoy! Kailangan ko na mag-prepare for our lunch. So, I have to look kung ano meron dito sa aming fridge. And then, I have, oh my goodness, it's a frozen chicken. So, I have to prepare for this. I only have 20 minutes to prepare for this. And then, I should have my vegetables also. Right. Okay. So, come. And I'll show you how. Kakayanin kaya nating maluto ang frozen chicken in just less than 20 minutes. Tingnan natin. Walang gamit na microwave oven. Tingnan natin if we can do it. Okay guys, tikman natin. Sobrang fresh at saka tamang-tama na yung lasa ng ating sitaw. Let's check yung ating chicken. Yan. Yan. Kita nyo, walang dugo yung ating chicken sa gitna. Okay? And let's try. Perfect. Your Kuya Pandisoy, and welcome to my channel! Today, may bago akong series na uumpisahan. Quick and easy cooking tips para sa lahat. Since most of us are working from home and most of us are locked down from home, ayan, I'm starting off a new series, a quick and easy cooking tips para sa lahat. Para sa mga working individuals and para sa mga busy people. Ayan, 12:30 in the afternoon and hindi pa ako nakapag-ready para sa aming pananghalian. Come and join me para sa aking first quick and easy cooking tips para sa inyong lahat. Alright, come join me! Kailangan ko na mag-prepare for our lunch. So, I have to look kung ano meron dito sa aming fridge. And then, I have, oh my goodness, it's a frozen chicken. So, I have to prepare for this. I only have 20 minutes to prepare for this. And then, I should have my vegetables also. Right. Okay. So, come. And I'll show you how. Kayanin kaya nating maluto ang frozen chicken in just less than 20 minutes. Tingnan natin. Walang gamit na oven, walang gamit na microwave oven. Tingnan natin if we can do it. Okay guys, so I just want to show you on how I do it. If I only have limited time, like I only have 20 minutes to prepare for my lunch because I'm working from home and I need to cook for both of us, for me and my wife. So ito po yung ginagawa ko. I have frozen chicken and then I have long bean or yung ating batong sa mga Bisaya or sitaw. Yan. And of course, yung ating kamatis at saka sibuyas and our kalamansi. So, I only have this and I only have 20 minutes to cook. So, this is what I do. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang mga ginagawa ko if I only have very limited time. Alright? First is I have to wash my ating manok, ating chicken. I have to wash it off. Yan. Since frozen siya, so kailangan ko lang siyang hugasan. Okay? In a running water. And then, immediately, ilagay ko siya sa pinakuluan kong tubig. Look at that. Sobrang tigas pa. Ilulunod ko lang siya sa kumukulong tubig. Ayan. Yan po, pinakuluan kong tubig. And then, I leave it there for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? Alright, so in the meantime, while waiting na kumukulo yung aking chicken, yung aking frozen na chicken, so I'll prepare for my vegetables, for my stir-fried vegetables, like yung ating long bean o yung ating sitaw. Okay? Yung sitaw normally is meron yung pinakadulo ng yung sitaw, yung pinakaulo nyo, you just cut it off. Okay, and then I slice it into desired sizes na gusto ko. Put it in a bowl and then wash it off. While waiting, I'll just prepare also my onion. 1 piece medium-sized onion. Wash ko lang to, and then I'll just slice it to the desired After a few minutes, let's check on the frozen chicken. Ayan. Okay, it's barely about a minute since isinalang natin siya. So we just leave it there for a few minutes. Then we'll just do a stir fry muna sa ating vegetables while waiting. Right. In a clean pan, okay? In a clean pan, we'll just put on a little bit of oil. I use normally canola oil. And then immediately, I'll put in my onion. Okay? Immediately. Okay, then I'll just leave it there until it heats up. Okay. While umiinit na inyong mantika, okay, yung oil nyo ay mainit na, okay, and then you could smell na the aroma ng inyong sibuyas. Just add on the tomato. And then I'll add on the dried baby shrimp. Yan. Okay, yan po yung pinakasahog ko. Then I'll just leave it there for a few minutes. Add on my Ikan Dilis. Yung ating Ikan Dilis na seasoning. Okay. And then I'll add on my ground white pepper, okay, generously, yeah, and then I just add on a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now this time I'll just stir it. Okay. Just make sure na maluto yung ating dried na baby shrimp. And then I'll just add on my long bean or yung ating sitaw. Okay? Give it a stir. And then, yeah. And leave it there for a minute. So just to add a bit of your stir-fried sitaw, I add a bit of hot water. Just a bit. Okay? Just to make sure that everything is cooked. And then I'll just cover it. Cover and then leave it there for a few minutes. In the meantime, you could also check your chicken. Alright, so after around 3 minutes now for our chicken, ayan, okay, yeah, it's ready to cook, and it's medium done na yung ating yung ating chicken. Okay, what I normally do is I just drain it and then do my frying. Alright, drainin ko na yung ating chicken. Then that's where I put in my condiments. Yung asin natin, just generously put in 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and then generously put in also white pepper. Ayan. Just leave it until it's dry. Ayan, no oil, nothing. And then that's where I put in also, I squeeze in my kalamansi. I barely have about 10 minutes since I started. Okay, then right after putting it in, I'll just put on also soy sauce. Right, and then I put in a few drops of this is roasted garlic. You see, roasted garlic, just a bit. Okay, then that's where I add on my oil. Yeah, so easy, quick and easy. Okay, give it a stir a bit, and then just make sure that it's cooked. Okay, cooking time will just about 5 minutes for this one because naka-pre-cook na po yung inyong chicken. Okay, right, just leave it there, and then let's go back. In the meantime, let's go back to our stir fry. Okay, so ating stir fry, let's check, and look at that. Yes, very fresh. And sobrang green pa yung ating sitaw. Ayan. Just make sure na hindi siya overcook kasi hindi rin masarap na overcook ang inyong sitaw. Ayan. Okay? And look at this. Yeah. Okay? Let's try. Smells good. And hopefully it's yummy. Try natin later. Alright. Luto na po yung ating sitaw. Let's just wait for sa ating chicken and we'll have our lunch. So quick and easy. Okay, now let's check on our chicken. And look at that. Yeah. Imagine niyo, frozen yan kanina. So all you have to do, if you don't have a microwave at home, you just boil hot water and then just put it there, dump it there, and then yan, half cook. Just make sure na luto ang ating chicken. So just press on para mawala yung excess na water. So frozen kasi yung ating chicken. Okay, and then we just flip it over. Then on the other side, let's also check. Then we will have our lunch. Yes! Okay. After a few minutes, we already have our, less than 20 minutes, we already have our ginisang sitaw and our chicken. Okay? Just to add a bit, so nilagyan ko po siya ng yung ating roasted na garlic. Ayan, just to garnish it. Ayan. Then this one, yung ating chicken, I'll just put on a teriyaki sauce. I'm ready to eat teriyaki sauce. Yan po yung aking ginagawa. Just to put some a bit of a dip yung ating chicken. Yeah. Now we have a sumptuous lunch with our chicken. Yung ating ginisang sitaw. Ayan. Right, we're ready to have our lunch, and thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you get something from this very quick and easy work from home cooking tips. Right, see you again next time. See ya, bye. Hey guys, tikman natin. Sobrang fresh at saka tamang-tama na yung lasa ng ating sitaw. Let's check yung ating chicken. Yan. Yan. Kita nyo, walang dugo yung ating chicken sa gitna. Okay? And let's try. Perfect. So nice. Thank you so much guys for watching. Yeah. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for being with me today. And I hope you get something and learn something out from that quick and easy cooking tips. Ayan. I hope you guys enjoy it and I'll see you again next time. If you like our new series, the quick and easy cooking tips, please do not forget to comment, like, and share. And for those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and please do not forget to click the bell button for the notifications for the upcoming videos. Alright, see you again next time. See ya, bye! This is Chris, your Kuya Soy. Thank you so much and please always keep safe and please do not forget to wear mask when you are outside and please continue to practice the safety protocols wherever you are right now. Okay? Let's follow and obey. Alright? Please keep safe everyone and please do not forget na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. This is Chris, your Kuya Soy. I'll see you. Bye! Bye!